Good morning, LKN. 8:34. Happy Friday to you. Friday smiles. We can call it like that.
Oh,
right?
yeah, I like it.
Friday's full of smiles.
I
I
like
like
it.
that.
Dr. Ryan Gross is here with us this morning of Clear Smile Orthodontics, located in Huntersville. I'm going to say this to you. I hope it's not too weird. You got straight teeth, man.
Oh, you got a great
you
smile.
got
I know. I
strong
feel like
teeth.
I want to cover my mouth up so you don't look at my teeth.
No. Don't. You guys have great teeth too. I appreciate that. I actually did my own Invisalign treatment. So
Did you really?
Wow.
I did. Yeah. It was a good 2.5-year journey. I should show you the before pictures.
Okay.
But yeah, no, it's been a good time.
See, when I got braces, it was 8th grade. It was like 7th grade. I got them off the day of 8th grade graduation.
Ah, nice.
But back then, like Invisalign was like brand new. You know what I mean? It was like the top of the line, only the cream of the. Like,
Wasn't even an
adults
option for
only,
me.
Like kids couldn't get it at all. But it's become such a phenomenal tool for those, it seems like, that need, I guess, teeth straightening, right? In essence, a jaw adjustment. I don't know what I don't know what the technical term is. So give us the rundown about Clear Smile and what you guys do and what makes Invisalign so popular and so great for people.
Yeah, that's a great question. I feel that Invisalign has really improved over the last several years. It used to be the case, like you're saying, where hey, if you have a simple relapse case, if it's going to be, 3, 4, 6 months, we can do this with Invisalign. Anything else is braces. Now it's really flipped in the sense that Invisalign can handle a lot of the complex cases too, just with increased, technology and all of those good things.
Yeah.
So we're doing clear and customized treatment. That's kind of our brand, right? Clear Smile Ortho. I have a couple models here I can show you too with
Definitely.
our braces, what we're
Okay.
doing there. But we're doing a lot of treatment with aligners, which is a lot of fun.
Okay, let's talk about the braces because this I remember. This I know.
No, I don't remember this, though. I
All right.
had a full mouth of
So-
metal when I was a kid.
That's right. So this is what you remember is
Okay.
the metal brackets,
Okay.
right? So we were using this to hopefully I'm in the shot here.
Yeah, you're good.
But we were using this for our cases, and we're getting good results with it. But the stock brackets are basically the same for every single tooth, no matter who the patient is, right? We're opening that
One
package.
size fits all.
One size fits all, exactly. So we're putting this on, but everybody has different shaped teeth. It's just kind of like a fingerprint. Everybody has a unique shape to their teeth, and so that bracket's not going to fit on there. You can see kind of how it wobbles back and forth. So we glue it on there in the center of the tooth as best we can.
It's like I do. I just do another layer of glue, right? Just add another
Yeah.
layer
There
of
you
glue
go.
on there.
Exactly. And then what tends to happen is, we get teeth 90% of the way there, but we have to bend the wire, we have to reposition brackets and do all these things that kind of add extra visits to our treatment time. With LightForce brackets, this is so cool. So we scan the teeth like we would with Invisalign, so we get that nice high quality 3D scan, and then the brackets are 3D printed to fit that tooth.
Oh,
So
wow.
each patient is getting 3D printed custom fit brackets.
Sheesh.
So
That's
check
amazing.
this out. We put that on there, and you see there's no wiggle.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
completely perfect fit for that tooth.
Wow.
So it's eliminating a lot of those extra visits, like where we're having to reposition brackets, all that kind of stuff. So we're not really moving teeth faster; we're moving them more efficiently.
So this explains it, though, because when you'd have braces, the pure metals, and the bracket would come off, like I'd eat that thing I wasn't supposed to
Oh,
eat.
you ate
or
on the
something.
do not eat list?
I definitely did. And then
Oh,
you have to
boy.
reset. Yeah.
Mhm.
So this seems like, these days, the 3D printed, that's cool.
That's very cool.
Yeah.
And so you guys do both. You do the Invisalign
Yes.
and you do the braces.
Exactly.
So what's it been like for you? How'd you get into this? Such a niche space.
Yeah. So I was a big baseball player when I was young. I was in Little League, and I wasn't very good, but I tried my best, right?
I sat in the outfield waiting for the snow cones.
Okay, that was me. You're with me. And we were up at bat, and it was the first year that the kids were pitching. It was like the dads pitching up until that point. And this guy just slinged one down, hit me in the face,
Oh.
blacked out, lost a couple of teeth.
Oh, no.
And it was not the best day, but I got rushed to dentist, got stitched up, and my orthodontist had her work cut out for her. She had to fix me up.
Oh,
And
man.
I remember just asking a lot of questions about like, hey, what's going on? Like, how is this working? What's this tool do? What's this instrument do? And I just loved it from there.
Wow. And
So-
so you go off and you decide, hey, I'm going to play with people's teeth all the time. Like you wanted to do it then at that point.
That's exactly right. Yeah. Yep.
So what makes then Clear Smile unique, right? Because that's like a larger group, if you would, right? In essence,
Mhm.
I would imagine you have access to a lot of great resources, a lot of great education, a lot of great opportunities. What's that been like for you?
Yeah, so we are a group practice in and around Charlotte. So we have multiple locations, which is great because we have multiple doctors to, hey, if we want multiple eyes on a case, we can ask our other doctor friends and get, feedback right away. But I primarily at the Huntersville location, right across the street from Brookdale,
Super
which
convenient.
is a great spot,
Oh,
by
yeah,
the way. I
for
mean,
sure.
we're right in between Shake Shack and Jason's Deli.
Ah,
Perfect.
Not
So
that
it's
spot.
perfect. Hey, you got your braces on. You can either get a milkshake or you can get some free ice cream.
yeah.
Take your pick.
There you
I mean,
go.
either way, you're good, right?
That's right.
So that's fun. But yeah, clear and customized is our brand, right? So we're doing Invisalign and LightForce. We're trying to cut out, extraneous visits, make things nice and discreet for people.
Wild to hear about the 3D printing concept.
Yeah, that's
just
wild.
wild.
And
Yeah,
even
that
this
is
model
fun.
you have with the this one has braces on it, right?
Yes,
They're
yes,
not what I
exactly.
was used to
Yes.
when I was a kid either.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so they are clear. They're a ceramic material, and so that's just kind of nice because we actually treat a lot of adults. We treat a lot of
Sure.
adults. A lot of people think braces are just for kids,
Right.
right?
I know some adults with some crooked teeth. I definitely know. So, yeah.
And that's that's what's bringing a lot of people in, is they notice with age those lower teeth especially tend to just crowd up with time.
Yeah.
Makes it harder to clean. Sometimes those hygiene appointments can be really painful because those teeth are twisted and roots are exposed and all of that. So we're able to address all of that.
You definitely clearly want to help educate folks. You do a lot online as well. YouTube, definitely people should check out your YouTube channel, Dr. Ryan Gross. You should check him out on YouTube because you teach those that are learning about how to help others,
Yeah.
right, and getting their certifications and becoming professionals. So you said you put together a game for us to test our knowledge today.
Yes.
Let's play it.
All right, what's our game
Tooth
called?
or not?
Oh, hey, that I like that too. It's tooth or false.
Oh, okay.
false.
Tooth or not.
All right.
Hey, either
Sorry.
way, it's good. It's good either way. So I have 10 statements here for you guys. They're dental related.
Okay.
Oh, I love that music. This is great.
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Come on down. So we have 10 statements, and I need you guys to tell me if you think it's tooth, if it's a true statement,
Okay.
or if it's false.
Okay.
If y'all get maybe 7 right, I have a prize for each of
Uh-oh.
you.
Okay.
High
So
standards.
pressure's
Let's see
on.
what we got.
Pressure's on.
Y'all can work together.
Okay.
All
All
right,
right. Cool.
all right.
Sweet.
Unless you want to compete, but I figure
No.
y'all work
Let's
together.
do the team thing.
Okay.
All right. First one. We'll start with a nice, easy one. Braces are only for kids.
I'm gonna say
False.
false.
False. That's right. So adults can get amazing results like we just talked about.
Okay.
Either, for headaches, jaw pain, crooked teeth, all those good things. We're
Got
seeing
it.
more and more adults. Actually, fun fact, my oldest patient's 88.
What?
Yep, almost 90.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's amazing.
I know. Cool. All right. Number 2. Teeth are the hardest substance in the human body.
Ooh.
Tooth or false?
I'm gonna go with tooth on that one.
I'll go with you on tooth.
You got it.
Yeah.
That's right. Yeah, good job.
Yeah.
Good job. So that's true. Enamel, the outer layer of teeth, is actually the strongest.
Does milk
substance
help
in
or
the-
hurt? Is that a different conversation? Okay, all right.
It doesn't hurt. As long as you're not doing too much sugar, you're good. The
There we go.
calcium's helpful. But yeah,
Put these away.
You know what? I was looking at that. It looked good. I wasn't gonna say anything, but good job. All right, number 3.
Okay.
This is a fun one. George Washington had wooden teeth.
Oh, I'm going false for that one.
Man, this is one of those stories though.
It's
that,
one of those
I
old
believe
wives'
it.
tales you always hear.
Man. All right. Well, we're split. I'm gonna go with you. I'll let you have the.
All right,
I'll let you
I'll
have
go
it.
false on that one.
That's right.
Oh,
You got it, Mamie. Good job.
Good
job.
thing we listened to Mamie.
Yeah, actually, his teeth, his dentures were made from human and animal teeth, ivory, and metal.
Even better.
Mm,
Yeah,
yummy.
Better than the wood.
That sounds great. Sorry for all of you hungry out there. All right, number 4.
Okay.
Here we go. You should avoid brushing if your gums are bleeding.
Mm,
Tooth or false?
Ooh.
what you think? I'll let you go this
See,
one.
but my gums bleed because I don't floss enough, and so they say I should floss more. So I'm
Right.
gonna say false.
We'll go false on that one.
That's right.
Oh,
Good job.
there
You
you
guys
go.
are on a roll.
Ooh.
You're right. Actually, that's a sign of inflammation and a sign that you should be brushing and flossing.
Trying to keep away
more.
that gingivitis.
Yes.
That's right.
Yes.
Nice. All right. I should have upped the stakes here a little
No,
bit
no,
more.
no,
but
no.
Okay, let's
This
go.
is plenty hard.
That's not.
Don't worry.
Like
Don't
he's
worry about
flipping the
this.
page over to find
Right,
the
no.
hard ones.
Don't go
this is
hard,
good.
Where
please.
are my tough ones? All right, here we go. Invisalign aligners need to be worn at least 20 hours a day to work properly.
20 hours a day, maybe, but you don't really feel. I guess it's not like a daunting thing. It's just like a thing on there.
Let's go tooth on that one.
That's right.
Yeah,
You got it. Yeah. Compliance is key.
Okay.
Compliance is key.
I
There
like
you
That's
go.
right. Only take them out to eat and
That's
brush your
right.
teeth.
I
That's
haven't
what I'm
worn my retainer in decades.
All right, we won't talk about that. I'll be seeing you later at the office. All right, number 6. It takes more muscles to smile than it does to frown.
Ooh.
Oh, I know this one. This one's false.
We're going with Mames on this one. We're riding
Wow, Mamie, you are on a roll. That's
the train.
true.
Yeah.
So check this out. It actually takes 43 muscles to frown, 17 muscles to smile.
Dang.
Wow.
Which is a lot either way. to be
Yeah.
honest with
Smiling's
you.
good for you.
That's right.
It is. That's right.
Absolutely.
It takes more effort to frown than to smile. So smile.
Dr. Ryan Gross of Clear Smile Orthodontics. Digital fam, stick around. We're going to play this game a little bit more. All right, Ryan, we're still here. What do we got? What's next?
All right, here we go. So number 7, wearing a retainer. Wearing a retainer is only necessary for a few months after braces.
No, false.
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 You already
Super
knew that.
false.
Yeah.
You already knew that, Justin.
My
That's
crooked
right.
teeth on the bottom say false.
I tried to ask for the permanent on the top.
That's what I tell people. It's nighttime for a lifetime.
That's right.
'Cause
Oh,
your-
nice.
There you
Because your
Yeah.
teeth
I
can
like
and
it.
will move
Oh,
for the
yeah.
rest of your life.
Yep.
Unfortunately, they have a mind of their own. All right, here's another fun one. Sharks lose thousands of teeth in their lifetime. Truth or false?
Tooth.
Tooth.
I've
That's
seen the
right.
documentary on that.
I like that
one.
one, too.
Boom.
That's right. Over 30, they can go through 30,000 teeth in a lifetime. Isn't that crazy?
That's
Here we go.
amazing. Yeah.
Someone has to figure that out. Shark dentist.
That's
All right.
right.
Or number 9. Here we go. Orthodontic treatment can help with jaw pain and headaches.
Go tooth on that one?
I'll say tooth.
Tooth.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll go tooth on that one.
Absolutely.
There you go.
You got it. Sometimes bite correction.
We're
can
doing
actually
pretty
help.
good right now.
Yeah, I was
We're
gonna say
not- we're not-
now it's either all or nothing, guys.
Yeah,
You're
that's it.
9 out of 10.
That's
So
right.
We're going
We
for
can do
10 out
this.
of 10. Here we go. Orthodontists. Last question. Orthodontists have to go through additional training after dental school.
Tooth.
Tooth.
Yep.
Boom!
Y'all are
There we go.
100%.
10 out of 10. 100%.
Let's go.
Thank
All
you
right.
so much.
And the teacher said it wasn't possible.
Oh,
Look it
I
up.
can't believe it.
Sheesh.
All right, so I got some
Oh,
whitening
look at-
pens for
Oh,
y'all.
nice.
thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
There it is.
Y'all deserve that. 10 out of 10. That's
Dr.
awesome.
Ryan Gross, Clear Smile Orthodontics. Check him out online. Check him out on his YouTube, and it's conveniently located in Huntersville. It's not just Invisalign, it's also braces. Anything you need there for the oral situation. Call Dr. Ryan. Check him out. Nice guy, too. Thanks for coming in today.
Thank you so
Thanks so much for
Appreciate
having
you.
me.
Appreciate
Really
it.
a lot of fun.
Absolutely. All right, good morning, fam. Jason Drum up next.